Unveiling the world of mechanical keyboards. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and engaging. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's not just about language but also about technology. We're going to explore what mechanical keyboards are. Whether you're a gamer, a writer, or just curious about tech, understanding this term will add a cool piece of knowledge to your English vocabulary. So, let's get started. First things first, let's break down the phrase, mechanical keyboard. A keyboard, as you might know, is a device with buttons called keys, which you press to type letters, numbers, and symbols. Now, when we add the word mechanical to it, we're describing the type of technology behind these keys. Unlike traditional or membrane keyboards, which operate by pressing down on a soft layer, mechanical keyboards have individual mechanical switches under each key. These switches are what make mechanical keyboards unique. They provide tactile feedback to the user, which means you can actually feel a small bump and hear a click sound when a key is pressed and registered. This sensation is not only satisfying but also improves typing accuracy and speed for many people. You might wonder, why do people prefer mechanical keyboards over the more common and often cheaper membrane ones? Well, there are several reasons. Durability is a big one. Mechanical keyboards are built to last, often capable of withstanding tens of millions of key presses. This makes them a favorite among gamers and professional typists who need their keyboards to endure heavy use. Another reason is the customization aspect. Mechanical keyboards offer a variety of switches, each with different levels of resistance, sound, and tactile feedback. This means you can choose a keyboard that feels just right for your typing style. Plus, many mechanical keyboards allow you to customize the look with replaceable keycaps and customizable backlighting, making them not just a tool, but a personal statement. Apart from durability and customization, using a mechanical keyboard has other benefits. The clear tactile feedback can reduce the likelihood of pressing the wrong key, leading to more accurate typing. This is especially helpful for those learning to type or improving their typing skills. Additionally, many users find the act of typing on a mechanical keyboard more comfortable and less fatiguing, thanks to the precise actuation points of the keys. This can be a significant advantage for those who type a lot, such as writers or programmers. We hope this video has shed some light on what mechanical keyboards are and why they're a popular choice for many. Whether you're considering getting one for yourself or just wanted to learn about this interesting piece of technology, understanding the term mechanical keyboard is a great addition to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning English isn't just about memorizing words. It's about connecting with the world around you. So, keep exploring, keep questioning, and most importantly, keep learning. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.